Welcome. Today's recipe is spicy vegetable biryani. First of all, soak 2 cups of basmati rice for 30 minutes. Now heat the pressure cooker. Once it is hot, pour 3 teaspoons of oil, 3 teaspoons of ghee. Now add 2 bay leaf and saute it. Now add 2 cloves, 1 small size cinnamon, and 1 cardamom. Saute it well. Add 2 sliced onions. Slice the onion lengthwise. Saute it until the onion edges are brown. Between this, we will prepare the ginger garlic paste. For this, I have taken 15 garlic cloves and the same amount of ginger. Guess the approximate measurement and keep it as equal. Transfer this to blender jar. With this, add 2 cloves, 1 small cinnamon, 1 cardamom, and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Grind it as nice paste. You can see the brown color in the onion edges. Now you can add ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the smell goes. Now add half cup of mint leaves and saute it. After few minutes, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute it until it is cooked. Now add the vegetables into this. Let's see how the vegetables are cut into pieces. 1 potato diced bigger, 100 grams of green peas, 2 large carrots chopped like this, 12 to 15 beans chopped, 1/2 cup of cauliflower. Add all these vegetables into this and mix it. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, 1¼ teaspoon of salt. Saute it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1/2 cup of coriander leaves and mix it. Now pour the water in the ratio of 1¾ cup of water for 1 cup of rice. So I have added 3½ cup of water for 2 cup of rice. Now you can add the soaked rice in this. While start boiling, add a juice of half medium lemon. Close the cooker, and cook it for 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the cooker. And keep it idle until the pressure releases. Now open the cooker. The spicy vegetable biryani is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Like, share and comment the video. Thanks for watching.